You may have noticed in SmartForm Composer that by default, certain properties such as the tooltip in this example are set to this weird value called $curly brace label curly brace. And you may have wondered what that means. Well, it's a very convenient notation and essentially allows one property to derive its value from the value of another property. In this case, we're saying that by default, for all fields of this type, the tooltip will be exactly equal to the label. I could have also done something like this, and I could have defined this in the style sheet, such as please enter your, and what would appear in the form is please enter your first name. By doing that relatively, by defining one field in terms of another, it means that you don't have to go through every single tooltip and explicitly set its value. You could, of course, remove the $label value and just type in first name, but then you would have to explicitly maintain the tooltip. So if you want to use this feature, how do you know what the label is? Because you'll actually notice that it was $label with a lowercase l rather than with an upper. And if you ever do want to refer to another field by name, simply click on the property backtrace, which we've seen in another presentation. Click on the metadata tab, and there you'll see that the underlying or programmatic name of this particular property is label with lowercase, and all properties have that label, and you can then simply refer to it with the special notation $2 curly braces and label. Usually this isn't something that you would do yourself. This is something that template designers and style sheet designers use. However, you can actually use it in your forms directly if you want.